mainland peninsula here, and heading towards AROVO Island, just over on the right here. Seems to be a popular resort over there, and yeah, we're going to go and check it out and see what's left of it. I can see a bit of a shipwreck there on the beach, and an old wharf. So yeah, pretty excited to get over there and yeah, see what's going on. So Joe, you used to come to AROVO and stay?
I used to work here.
Yeah.
Mm.
Yeah.
And this is the bar. This is bar.
Oh.
This is the bar area.
This
here.
is the bar.
Mm. You can come and sit here. The circle is about this side.
Yeah?
And then we put the stools here.
Yeah.
Mm.
Ah, okay.
You know, around here is the round tables.
So this is where people would eat and
if
drink?
you want to eat in the dining room or just on the open space here. Dining room is on the other side there.
Yeah.
It's big clear that concrete. There's a big dining room
Yeah.
here. Mm.
Ah, okay. And then all of this would have been clear so you can look out of the sea?
Yeah.
This one?
It's a lawn.
Yeah. Just a lawn?
Lawn. Yeah.
No bush?
No bush.
No.
You can look through here, from here to the other side too.
Oh yeah?
Mm. Floor?
2 floors.
Just on the floor, where they used to put instruments.
Ah yeah?
Mm. Yeah. Just along here. And people always dance here. Dancing area.
Huh.
Mm. This one inside, it's a kitchen. There was cook here. Cook here and then bring the food out there. They cut logs already to be milled
Ah yeah?
for the buildings up here. This one is the dining area.
So this would have a roof?
Mm.
Yeah?
Yeah, yeah. A gable roof.
A gable roof.
It's a bit high.
Yeah.
Yeah, and over along the either side there was a glass wall.
Ah yeah?
Yeah, glass wall.
Ah.
Also the rooms.
This
so
is the
glass.
accommodation over here.
Yeah. Now you see, you can just put on the timber.
So how many rooms did it have?
16.
16.
We used to live at the back.
Oh true. Not
Yeah,
in these.
boss and
Yeah.
all the boys.
Yeah.
We always did there.
Okay.
We got a 2-story building.
Ah yeah?
So our boss used to stay upstairs and
Yeah.
we stay downstairs. I
Yeah.
don't know what time they burn it down
No.
because every people went up to the mainland.
So we've been on AROVO Island now for probably 10-15 minutes. I'm just having a chat with one of the caretakers here on the island, and he's been giving us a bit of a history lesson and how the resort used to look, and showing us where the bar area was and the restaurant and the accommodation. And they said that during the crisis the owner packed up all the belongings, took them back to Australia, and at some point, they're not too sure when because everyone disappeared in the crisis, but at some point during that period the place was burnt down, and so now all that's left is the foundations of the building. So yeah, he's been kind of talking us through what it used to be and how it used to look.
Cut the propeller with the axle.
Yeah.
When then we finish it, we bring it up there. And I don't know now.
Where?
Scrap metal. Metal. Scrap metal. But don't climb that thing. This one is all loan. One time we got a big turtle come up from the
Oh, yeah?
sea and then break the glass here. The big turtle. Want to lay the eggs?
Yeah. That's cool. There's two of them right here. Ten of them, yeah.